red one, blue one. Oh, there they go.
Darn, it makes me stop. Pixie does. Pixie does make you smile. Pixie does. Oh, that one's tight.
Oh, cool.
How did that even happen? That was good.
He just fucking went over there, and then all of a sudden he couldn't go there. That's why nobody's parked there. He went too far over. And it down. It's like a cliff, almost. You know they're mad, dude. Traffic's still blocked. And we're gonna be stuck here forever now.
Yep.
We're gonna hit the back road up here at this right, though. Awesome!
That was awesome.
Like a tiny face.
No. Is that it?
No way, dang it.
I know, we'll sneak out in front of the wreck.